Hello, welcome back everyone. Welcome again to the channel of Chung Social Tools. Today, I will guide you on how to build a plan that helps you reach customers on Instagram using the tool MKT Insta. This plan will show some strategies so you can promote your products and services more easily. I already prepared a diagram, and this diagram is called Customer Acquisition Plan on Instagram with MKT Insta. First, we need to define our target objectives. On this platform, what do we really want to achieve? The first goal is to build brand awareness so customers know about us. The second goal is to attract potential customers in specific niches. For example, if you sell certain products, then you want to reach people who are only interested in those products. This way, you increase your chances of conversion. And finally, the ultimate purpose is to sell products and advertise your services. That is the objective we set in this plan. Next, let's move to step number 2. What we need to prepare. First of all, you need an Instagram automation bot. The MKT Insta software can help you manage multiple accounts and do more tasks at once. Second, you need Instagram accounts. You can create new accounts, or you can buy ready-made accounts from providers or websites. You will divide these accounts into 2 categories. The first category is sales accounts. These accounts act like your sales staff. You use them to send product information to customers, post about your products and services, and deliver your offers directly. The second category is supporting accounts, or accounts that look like normal users. You use these accounts to comment on your sales accounts, to like and engage with your posts, or to pretend to be customers leaving feedback. This creates trust for real customers so they feel more confident and make a purchase faster. Next, you will also need proxies. A proxy gives each account its own IP address, so your account stays safe when you manage many of them. Then, you will use the Instagram bot, MKT Insta, to warm up new accounts. That means creating scripts for accounts to automatically follow, like scroll through feeds and watch reels. This makes the account look like a real user. Instagram will trust the account more and reduce the risk of being banned or flagged. If you want to know how to choose a niche and reach customers accurately, then keep watching part 2.